Parking lots full, checkout lines long, a last chance to stock up before the storm.
You know, you walk down the bread aisle and you've got to imagine people have been coming in all afternoon screaming bread and milk, bread and milk, bread and milk. The shelves are a little bare.
Kids all over the state looking forward to a snow day.
We're gonna make a stew, we're gonna make sandwiches, we're gonna eat food and sleep.
Tonight, the governor agrees staying home is the way to go.
We're asking folks to stay off the roads tomorrow and not travel unless absolutely necessary.
Late this evening, Governor Baker decided non-essential state workers should stay home tomorrow. But for those who do need to commute, Baker says 4,000 pieces of snow removal equipment are ready to be deployed as needed. The T will be running on a full schedule. Workers spent the afternoon spreading salt on outdoor platforms.
This actually might be the biggest one my administration's encountered.
Mayor Walsh says Boston Public Schools will be closed. A snow emergency and parking ban kick in at 10 a.m. The mayor reminding folks no space savers in the morning and also no shoveling snow back into the street. And by the way, there is a Bruins game scheduled tomorrow night at the Garden. It is still a go at this hour. We'll, of course, keep you posted. That could change.